rest of my life. Oh!
They think that I'ma lose my mind out here. Ask me where I think I'll be this time next year, but I don't care. I'm living it up. I'm living it up. I'm living it up. I don't care. I'm lit.
Hey, they wonder where I'm gon' be at. Posted with my chief sack, seat back, keeping shit together like a kneecap. He's that bad motherfucker with an attitude. Haters trying to play him, I ain't even getting mad at you. Fruity Judy spitting, but he rapping like Kiwi. I'm received better than your satellite TV. Creepy, the rhymes that'll give him heebie-jeebies. Whole show and titties, try and get a CD free, please. Grand stay together like a swell tit. Turning down groupies, now they think I'm getting selfish. I'm not cocky, I'm just confident. Wave you off, move along if you're not convinced. Got way too much shit up on my shopping list. While you broke doing coke, trying to copy Vince. Hop off the dick, let me be on my way. I don't pay attention, stay having good days, so
they think that I'ma lose my mind out here. Ask me where I think I'll be this time next year, but I don't care. I'm living it up. I'm living it up. I'm living it up. I don't care. I'm lit.
Hey, as I'm riding next to Tree J, speeding down the freeway, headed to the money, no pause, no delay, racing like a relay, hear me through the PA, chief till I'm sleeping, fuck the D to the EA, I'm in this game, no plan for the pesos, try and dip into this cheese like queso, classes never seem to be there when they take roll, I was running to my dream, trying to make more music, make another song, they tell me they supported, they was hating all along, love greater than the hate that I was getting, didn't faze me for a second, so lately I've been getting kinda crazy, and I mentioned to my lady when she's stressing that I'm caking, it's a blessing. I'm just trying to get her in the right direction. You want a war, then I'm coming prepared. Most dope, put your thumb in the air, motherfucker.
They think that I'ma lose my mind out here. Ask me where I think I'll be this time next year, but I don't care. I'm living it up. I'm living it up. I'm living it up. I don't care. I'm lit.
I think I'm having an overdose of this girl with my wife.
Overdose of what?
Marijuana. I don't know if they had something in it. Can you please send rescue?
Did you guys have fever or anything?
No, I think we're dying.
Okay, how much did you guys have?
I don't know, we made brownies, and I think we're dead. Time is going by really slow.